Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm talking about something that has quite literally changed the way I work. Has it changed my life? You could say that. It's the amazing tool that is Notion. Now, I'd never heard of Notion, like never. And then on Jade, our favourite study queen, well, one of them, we have multiple, one of the amazing study tubers out there, she is doing her second year in Minerva at the minute in Berlin, and yeah, big fan. But she released a video on how she uses Notion to plan her life. I decided to download Notion too, and I decided to plan my life using Notion. I mean, give it a go and see if it would work. At that time, I did have my academic planner, which have I used since? Absolutely not. I've been using this for over a month now, probably about a month and a half, and wow, it's amazing. Honestly, I love it. And so I'm going to bring you through my Notion setup before you have a go. I mean, I would highly recommend you get Notion because it's so good. It is so useful. You can use it online or you can download it. I mean, imagine having the option to do both. Like, come on, that is pretty good. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, do all that great stuff. But thank you all for... That's the ending of my video. Wow. But yeah, let's go and see what my Notion setup looks like. Okay, welcome to my personal home. Yeah, so my personal home is basically the front page of my Notion, and everything kind of revolves around the front page, the personal home. So, if I come home from school and I'm going, what am I going to do today? To-do central in my to-do list section, I mean, has it all. So let's just see some of the things that I have to do. Chemistry, Excel graphs, done. General formula homework, done. I have some mechanics revision to do, statistics revision to do, radians revision to do, some thumbnail updates, record this video, non-priority today, that's what we're doing, and then general formula trigonometry notes. So, as you can see, check boxes and also percent checked. Don't know why that's there. There are a couple of options, but I just like this one the most. Why not? And then I have my task written out. I have the due dates, and then I have things that are not due. They obviously go to the bottom because if it has a due date, I want to do it first. That's kind of the aim. But sometimes there might be things that I don't actually have a due date that I want to get done first. So we move on to tags. We have actually just go in and show you all the tags. We have urgent, important, non-priority today, non-priority movable, and study period. Now, urgent means, for example, if I got a big homework for tomorrow, I would put it down as urgent because it needs to be done and needs to be done ASAP. Important is like, this has to be done for tomorrow, so we'll get it done. Or this is due in 2 days and it's big, so we'll split it up. Non-priority today is basically, I'm gonna do it today. If I don't get it done today, it's no big deal. Non-priority movable is, I'm not doing it today. I'm not doing it tomorrow, could be done for in 4 days. Study period is, it'll be done in the study period. But non-priority movable is most things of that because I don't have to do them today. They're not due for a while. But whenever it gets to the day before, for example, on October the 5th, I will be updating this to non-priority today or important. And that's how I work. And then we also have types. I have school and YouTube here. I also have church and SU. There are other things that, you know, I may have tasks to do for. But at the minute, nothing of that sort. So let's go back to the personal home. You can also see homework planner calendar, which I haven't updated for quite a while because I have my whiteboard. Now this would be like if I didn't have my whiteboard, I would put everything here instead of there. But yeah, all of this is well gone. And yeah, let me just put in all the homework. I actually don't have many homeworks at a time, so I'll show you. Let's pretend I have no homeworks and I've come home from school and suddenly have some homeworks to be put in. So let me just look up. Okay, I have, if I could spell, it'd be really helpful. Chemistry graphs. They are due on Monday the 5th. Tags would be chemistry. Property would be, well, it should be done, but they're done. Okay. Then I also have general solution homework. That is due on the 6th of October, and that is for further pure. It is also done. Statistics. It's just statistics homework, doesn't really have a name. it is due next Friday, and further statistics. Do you have anything else? Ah, yes, I do. Biology PPQs, which I've done. Nice. And they are due on Monday too for biology. So that would be me putting in my homeworks if I had. Remember to keep that updated. Sometimes to do central works, and I also have my board, which you'll have seen in other videos, but really just helps me keep updated with everything I have to do. So then, just move this up. So in our school, we have the timetable. Some of you may be going, oh, what on earth? Why did you put your timetable like that? I actually really like this. It just, lays it out in period form. Each, class is a block. And so I have maths, period 1 and 2, study, period 3 and 4, chemistry, and so on and so forth. I have the most classes on Tuesday, but one of them is lecture, I suppose. So, yeah, I have 3 singles on a Tuesday, which I suppose is kind of a lot. But yeah, this is why I just like to, if I need to check my timetable, it's here, or it's in my head, because I've memorized it at this point. So, yeah, but this, if you want to know how I made this, I basically made a table, and I had name, day, period, subject, and yeah, I went ham. I did all of this. It actually didn't take too long because you need one tag for Monday to Friday, you need a tag for each period, and you need a tag for each subject, and then I just clicked them all in. But it looks nicer in a board view. You could also, I suppose, view it in a list, or I suppose a list. Let's have a look and see what that would look like. Yeah, it would need sorting, but the list is the list is not the one. No, the board I think looks the nicest, is the most clean, and shows me my timetable in a pretty structured way, which I absolutely love. Okay, back to personal home. Subjects. So I have my subjects. If we go to biology, I have topics. Well, sometimes I write notes here, as well as writing notes in my revision guide or my revision book. This might be changing up ever so slightly soon, but I do have this for all my subjects in case I want the option to. I really need to update the topics in maths because we have done a lot. Wait, yeah. Yeah, we've done a couple more topics which I haven't updated yet, but as you can see, this is all in here. Yeah, oh wow. Acid-base equilibria. And that should be called 4.5. Yeah, so I can put notes in there. I might just take pictures of them because you can do that. I'll do that on my phone, just take pictures and upload them straight there. So, we'll go back to personal home. I also have Spark. This is my role in SU this year. So I have, plans of things that are happening. I have my talks that I've done. They're all typed out there. And so, yeah, you can click through them easily and find them. And that's actually enclosed in another area, but I linked to it. So here we go, there's more there, which I think is great to be able to link to and fro. Then we'll save YouTube for a little bit more, but we have travel plans, none of those yet. Others, we have Via Stimul. I started this obviously this year, and yeah, this. So I write notes on each person from each episode using these little toggle switches. Yep, I think this is so interesting, and I love doing it during the episode. So today is going to be, when I'm recording this, is going to be episode 5, Aflevering Faith. So that's obviously where I'm going to put in all my information. Back to, yeah, I'll put more series in there, or seasons. Then we have books. Yeah, I haven't exactly filled that. I finished that book and a couple more. I don't know if I will keep that updated. It's the sort of thing, it's so flexible, you can change it whenever you want. Final plans and theme studies, keep me updated. I have Eurovision, so I have Junior Eurovision, which is the current thing, and I have, at the minute, I just have my top. And I have done reaction videos for all these so far. I know that Spain is out, but I haven't actually listened to it because I want to get a good reaction once the whole song's out, not just 1 minute. That is where I stand with that. So then, also the calendar, it's pretty empty. I don't have anything going on, probably because of Corona. But yeah, YouTube is one of the interesting sections, I think. So we have video ideas and banked videos. We have YouTube video outfit planner. Let's go back to last month. Yeah, let's go to September, because you can see that all these, well, actually this video has now been released, and this video was released on Friday, so I'm just going to add in the release tag, and yeah, it is now there. So we have some videos that are coming out soon. All of these videos will actually already be out by the time you watch this video. Let me see. Yep, there is this video. I'm recording well in advance, as you can see. I like to have, you know, the next month pretty much done before I get to it, because it means I don't fall behind. And so yeah, this video is coming out on the 6th of November. As far as I'm aware, I could change it if I need to by literally, for example, if I wanted to swap these videos, I could just swap them. But I've already uploaded them, so they're staying as they are. But yeah, that is my video output planner, which is extremely useful, especially, for example, if you want to know, I have my rough script for that video. It's actually pretty useful to be able to see your scripts underneath the thing. We also have an area where I can script my videos. I think some of them, I've scripted them, that might be becoming obsolete if I just do all of that there. Then we have video ideas and banked videos. These are things that, you know, that will be being done. Oh, this video is currently being done. This, so I can actually over here in this column. Oh no, let's not do that. Yeah, in this column I will, you know, be putting more things down. I really need to extend this, but yeah, video ideas, banked videos, videos that already exist that I just need to put out. It's really easy to plan, and I love it. And literally, I also have this Conlang Central. This is just if I'm making another language. I can put things in here, verbs. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. That's just another thing that I have on my Notion, and that is currently the entire Notion setup. I absolutely love it. It is so useful. So that was my Notion setup, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got inspired to make your own Notion setup. I mean, go for it. I highly recommend. I actually could not recommend enough downloading Notion. It is amazing, and it literally has changed the way I think about work, changed the way I think about doing everything. So get it. It's free. If you have an .edu email, it's also completely free. You can upload any size of thing. I can't. I do not have an .edu email, sadly. But you can change your email anytime. So if I go to university next year, get an .edu email, I can just change the email and my account is upgraded. But literally the free version which I use is still amazing. Highly recommend, guys. Seriously. Yeah, it's free. I'll put it in the description. Go get it. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Do all that great stuff. This time I can actually say that because we're at the end of the video. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all again later. Bye.